Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. Seems like bears are afraid and they are hiding, right? There are no signs of bears in sight, right? So everybody is bullish. Every Tom, Dick and Harry in the market is bullish, and there is reason to be bullish, right? Today is the second day and you will not believe the institutions, both FIIs and DIIs are net buyers. We'll see about that, and I don't think you should be shorting this market. No matter what happens, market are likely to stay ahead. Banknifty is not going to come below 44,000. Nifty is not going to come below 19,000, and Nifty is not going to come below 19,500. And if you are shorting the market, actually I was a bear. I always find opportunity to short the market, but looking at all these figures and looking at all the metrics, and we are not short in the market, we are option sellers, right? We tend to change. If we want to be long, we will just change our non-directional strategy, delta neutral strategy, to a delta positive strategy. And if we want to be short, we will change from delta positive to delta negative, or vice versa, or whatsoever, right? So this is the benefit of being an option seller, right? So what is going to happen? What is going to be the Nifty prediction, Bank Nifty prediction, or Fin Nifty prediction going forward is what we are going to see in this video. We had seen a June series. June series was excellent, and today is the end of June series. In fact, yesterday was the end of June series. Yesterday was Bakrid. So day before yesterday was end of June series. We are sitting in July series, and we hope that July series is also going to be as good as June series, right? So we'll see what things are happening, how things are happening, and going forward what might be the market trajectory in this video. So make sure you watch this video fully. And this is US market. We'll talk about the US futures lately, but before that, let us see what is happening in terms of Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, right? So if you see Nifty, so this is the hourly chart, and you can see that there is the probability of Nifty coming below 19,000 is very, very low. Now we are sitting where? We are sitting at around 19,100 or 19,200 levels. Do you think Nifty is going to come below 19,000 level? I don't think so. And there is a reason. See, there is this trend line was broken, and this 19,000 was lifetime high before, or kind of lifetime high before. Let me change this to a hourly time frame, and you can know what is happening in terms of Nifty, right? So let's say, instead of let us say okay, there is some issue. Okay, I'll clear this. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Let me change to a daily time frame. If I change this to a daily time frame, you can absolutely see here this is around 18,800 levels, and after that we have gapped up, right? 18,000, let me be clear, 18,800 levels, then we gapped up. This gap up has to be sustained, and today's candlestick, if you see the today's candlestick, big green candle, I don't think this big green candle is going to be taken out. If there is any negative news, or if there is any very really bad negative news, people were talking about Russia Wagner issue, that is gone now. If there is any bad news, until there is any bad news, the market or Nifty is not going to come below 19K is what I believe is my perspective, right? So it is and you can see here, this one previously 18,800 levels to around 19,000, it gapped up, and 19,000 should be a very clear, or should be a very strong support. So maybe if there is any dip, or let's say if the market is coming to 19,000, Nifty is going to coming to 19,000, you can look that as a buying opportunity, right? This is a buy on dip market. When it touches 19,000, I'm not saying it is not going to touch 19,000. And if you see historically, whenever lifetime high is broken, or let me extend this line, whenever lifetime high is broken, that lifetime high is always a good support, and that is what is happening in case of Nifty. 18,800 levels to 19,000 will act as a good support. I'm not saying markets will come down. It will come down, maybe it will come down, it might come down, but 19,000 it will retrace here and it will go on the higher side, and we will touch higher highs maybe around 19,500 or even above 19,500 in terms of Nifty. So I am very clear about that, and even in today morning video I told that we are likely to go on the higher side. But what I expected is that there might be some consolidation and there might be some kind of negative bias before hitting lifetime high, but I never believed market will touch lifetime high today itself. That was because we are having positive global cues. All three US indices, which is Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, is all in the green, and even as I talk to you, everything is in the green. So we are in the bull's grip, and I don't think we should short the market, right? Even open interest is evident, and it is showing that everybody is writing huge number of put options, right? So you can see this chart, 18,000, 19,000. Right, 19,000 is having the highest number of put options. So if you see here, this is the 19,000 put option which people have written in huge numbers, right? So maybe, and here also if you see, even people have started writing 19,100 put option. This is 19,000 put option and this is 19,100 put option, and there is some put writing at 19,200 put call option, right? So even if it is coming down, this 19,000 is going to be a 19k is going to be a strong support, right? Strong support is what we believe in terms of Nifty. So make sure you don't short the market. Maybe you can short the market 19,500 above, but don't try to short the market 19,300 or 19,200 is what I want to say, right? This is in terms of Nifty. And in terms of Banknifty is a super index, and I like this index very much, right? Even though it makes huge number of calls, huge number of movement, this is one type of index that will give you good profit. If you know Banknifty, you can understand how good index is this, and it is going to be giving you profit if you trade it well and if you know how to trade it well, right? Now, what is going to happen in terms of Banknifty is 44,500 is going to be a very, very strong support, and let me draw it for you. 44,500 was a huge resistance and which was taken, and it is acting as a huge support now. 44,500k is going to be a strong support for Banknifty, and I don't think this support is going to be taken anytime soon unless until there is really bad news. I don't think there is any bad news as of now. Going forward, maybe Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve, is going to come out and increase the interest rate by 25 basis point or 50 basis point. That's it. Apart from that, maybe hypothetically speaking, if there is any binary event, unexpected event like Russia-Ukraine or some other issue, Russia-Ukraine issue is digested already. It is a whole story, a old story. It is history now. Even if people were talking Wagner, even if Wagner, that doesn't, did you tell me, did Wagner the group exiting or not supporting Russian military cause any damage to our market, or for that matter for the US market? No, nothing happened. Zero effect, right? So even if there is any bad news, or even if the market wants to consolidate, Banknifty wants to consolidate, it may come till 44,500, then it will retrace and go high, and we will see higher high on Banknifty towards 44,500 or even above, 45,000 higher, and even higher above 45,000 is what we expect in Banknifty, and that is evident in the open interest chart also. You can see huge number of put options. This is huge number of put options being written at 44,500, right? People are writing huge number of put options in 45,500, and even today people have written huge number of put options at 45,000, which means 44,500, which means people believe that Banknifty is not likely to come below 44,500, right? So with that being said, I think you have to be long in the market. Everybody is long in the market, and we being short in the market should not be a good thing to do. So make sure you are long in the market. Of course, there are some ifs and buts, but if everybody is long, what is wrong, we also being long in the market, right? And in terms of FI data, these buggers have bought around 6,397 crores, and DAs also have bought 1,197 crores. So you can understand, right? So both institutions are net buyers, and that's why you saw a smooth sailing on the higher side. Let me change this to a 5 minutes chart, and you can see how smooth the ride was on the higher side, right? Not from open 44,463 to around 44,700, around 300 or 250 points on the higher side was a very smooth ride, no problem at all. Market didn't make any two-way, three-way move like we used to see Banknifty going up here, down here like this, WA, all kind of shape. But today was a very smooth ride. That is because both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers, right? So I hope you understand why you shouldn't be going short in the market. And in terms of US market, you can see here all three: Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. FTSE Europe is also in the green. So hopefully Monday we will cap up and we will see market inching up towards the higher level. Banknifty might go till 45,000, Nifty might go till 19,500, and Nifty might go till where? 20,000, 20k. All three indices, Nifty, Banknifty and Nifty, is at lifetime high, and that's why I'm saying it is not a good idea to short the market, right? I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.